There it is, guys. We got it all set up. I'm super pumped about this. This is something I've wanted since 2007, but I keep putting it off because they've always been really expensive. But the price has come down on these, and I gotta say, I've looked at a lot of these on Amazon, and honestly, the Palmgren is a way better deal for a couple of reasons. First of all, you get the adjustable Z-axis with the ball screw. Super, super smooth. And normally, in order to get that version, you have to pay a big premium. Well, guess what? It's not that way here. Also, it comes with, when I first saw the price on the Palmgren website, I was like, oh man, that's a lot. But I didn't realize that price includes this down here, right? A lot of times, it does not include that. You have to pay extra for that. And check this out. That's cast iron, guys. Super thick. Standard T-slots for that match a Bridgeport. So these drawers, super smooth. It included the collets. So I was pumped about that. I wasn't sure if it included those. I thought I might have to buy that, but they're included. And it's the ANSI kit, so that's great. Really like this. So I'm gonna be doing a full-length review in the future on this. This was just, I've had it for a couple minutes now. Will and I got it all set up. Really love this thing so far. I'm gonna test it. And honestly, this is gonna be a major staple in the Beck Tools shop. Yes, I have a CNC, but it thread mills, and this is gonna be way more accurate than that, the knee mill. So I can't wait to use this. I've got a ton of projects. This is gonna be a real workhorse. So make sure, guys, if you wanna see more content on this thing, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna bring you a lot more. Here's the model number, in case you're wondering which one this is. You can do a little research on your own as well. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.